it is never a good idea to run from the cops. So we got a DoorDash driver that decided to run from the cops, y'all.
I can use the bike for DoorDash.
And you can guess how it turned out for him.
I'm doing DoorDash.
DoorDash?
Yeah, I got my, what you call it, title and everything for the bike.
License plate for it, you can use it.
I went through it. You can see on the DoorDash thing and everything. I can use the bike for DoorDash.
You can't have this on the road.
Wait, it's on the sidewalk. It's a 49. It's
all you come across.
Yeah, it's a 49cc though.
That's New York State. Do you have any paperwork for it at all?
Yes, I do. I can show you right now. Yes, I can show you right now.
Can I see your license?
I wasn't there. I was there, but I seen somebody was getting a ticket for their car.
So we need to see her license because she can't.
I'm about to show you my title to the bike, sir.
Right.
I'm just trying to.
I understand, man. But
I
you need to have a license.
I'm doing a job right now.
I'm a licensed driver, so since I'm with her, it doesn't that make sense?
This is
No,
crazy.
she was driving. Main question is there's no registration on the vehicle. Yeah.
Really, nigga? Stop it.
Stop fighting! Michael trying to take my bike! Come on, I'm doing it! I'm not assisting the... Damn! I'm not assisting the bike! I'm not assisting the bike!
No, you're under arrest!
Listen, I don't know where the hell she thought she was going, running like that with that moped, but that shit was funny as hell. Listen, learn a lesson from this. For one, don't run from the police. For two, if you're doing DoorDash, have all your paperwork together. Have your, have your stuff straight. And three, just don't do what she did. That was funny as hell. Got a full link to the video in the description. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to leave me a like and a subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.